Maybe we should do nightmare. If anyone dies, we get sent back to level 0.
Boy, fuck no, fuck that shit. Yeah, don't go there, don't go there.
Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not?
Good, bro. This is your favorite level right here.
Ah, damn it.
Beware of the thing. Hi, Odie. It's a shark. Good luck, baby.
God damn it. Oh yeah. Before you go, let me get on it.
Hold on, let's all get in the same one. Hold on.
Wait, there's another
Later,
boat over
bitch.
there.
Later, bitch. Later. Damn, man.
Wait, how did I didn't get nothing.
Don't worry, you get stuff. I hope.
Dude, the water is so dark, bro. Wait, our boat low-key kind of sinking, though. What the fuck?
Wait, how do you check your inventory? Oh, alright.
What are you doing? What are you doing now?
Swim over
You
here.
can't do this.
Swim over here.
Ah! Oh, what the fuck?
Oh,
What the fuck was that?
yo,
What the fuck was that?
yo.
What just
Why is the
happened?
boat sinking? Why was the boat sinking?
Bro, we should have took the other boat too.
Did
no
something
cap.
come
No,
after
no.
you? What happened, bro?
Oh my! No, the boat just started to sink. Why is the water red?
Somebody got attacked.
Why
And
is the
nobody
water
want to
getting
speak
red
up.
when you jump
Somebody
in
got
there?
attacked.
He's saying no one noticed. I'm dead as hell.
Odie, jump in the water, bro.
Okay, this hella
Give me some
foggy over
space,
here.
bro. Move up. Give me some space. No. Bitch, you can't get me.
Yeah, Carol, before I fall off, bitch.
Oh no!
Oh, yo, swim! I can't swim! Yo!
Oh, we did.
Yo, I can't move! Drink! Yo, what the fuck?
Oh,
I can't
eat,
move, actually!
I'm trying to come
Oh, I
back.
can't move.
I'm trying to come back. I'm trying to come
Whoa,
back.
swim speed!
Oh.
Oh no, don't look down. You still look down.
Oh.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Oh. Oh.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
This doesn't open.
Oh, wait, y'all still swimming in my screen.
You're
Oh,
right.
they
Y'all
are.
y'all still swimming in my screen.
Alright, what the fuck? Okay.
What the fuck? Do you left click to put it on? Or
Oh,
you
yeah,
just
you
hold
left
it?
click to put it on.
There,
Oh,
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
This
There we
dude,
go.
Yeah, I was like, you don't have it on.
he said I have
Guys,
it.
I'm scared.
Not wearing
Wait,
it.
Oh,
wait,
we're in the
guys,
arcade.
let me be in the middle. Let me be in the middle.
No.
Oh, what's going on my
Yo,
game?
the
It's
lag.
frozen. Oh my god, let
Whoa,
me be in the
the
middle.
graphics
No,
is
let me be in the
amazing.
middle. No, let me be in the middle.
Hey, yo.
No, I don't want to
Shark,
be at the
attack,
edge.
attack Odie first.
Oh
What
shit!
the fuck?
Oh shit!
Okay.
Oh,
Guys, you guys
Oh.
can't do this to me.
Where are
Where are we
you?
supposed to go?
I don't know. Everybody stick together.
We're trying to go inside here.
I don't know what we're supposed to do. I guess we just go deeper.
I have no idea.
we're body blocking each other.
What the fuck?
Oh, we made it?
Okay, let's go.
Bro, what is up with this lag?
Oh,
it's
I think my
loading.
game crashed.
No, it's loading.
Bro, I am not gonna be able to pick up that freaking walkie-talkie.
Why would you need a walkie-talkie for?
I don't know.
We have Discord.
You know the Odie classic.
Don't get
Selling
hand
everyone?
killed.
Gotta get sturdy.
Oh, I thought it was selling everyone.
Ooh.
Oh. What happened, Ralph?
So, like,
What happened?
so, like, why didn't you guys fucking move? Wait, don't tell me I lost everything.
No.
Wait, why did I lose everything, bro?
Damn.
Bro, Sons of the Forest is a lot different.
What the
We
fuck?
got it.
Dude, how did it fucking so I didn't even fucking run, man!
That's crazy.
No, wait, don't tell me I got to.
Oh shit! Oh,
That's crazy.
wait, how the fuck does it? I don't know. I don't know how it chases you.
This bridge must have been here for a century. I wouldn't put too much stress on it.
Who died?
Who died?
Really?
Who died?
Anu?
Really?
Odie?
No, I died. It said this bridge.
Oh, we made it. Thank you, Anu.
Oh,
Oh
we
my
fucking-
god!
Yeah, we made it, right? Yeah, we made it, right? Alright, we made it, right? Damn, man. There's gotta be a
Bro,
way.
I can't even process the fucking area we're
Yo,
at.
maybe we just gotta crouch through it.
We gotta Shrek this, guys.
I'm alive.
Why?
I'm alive. I'm dead. Oh, I know how to do it. Hold on, let me go first.
Guys, we gotta Shrek this.
No, fucking bitch.
Hold on, let me go first.
You just see the silly trap.
Oh my
Ain't no way.
Oh, this is how you cross the bridge.
god. See, I was smart.
You just gotta cross it, and then when it starts moving a lot, just stop.
So basically, we had to Shrek it.
Yeah, you gotta Shrek that shit. Alright, that dude broke it. It's over. That dude broke the bridge. It's over.
No, I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Oh, yeah, what the fuck?
Bro.
Sorry, Odie. I gotta take one for the homies.
No, wait, no, we get the checkpoint. We get the checkpoint.
You said what?
We can get the checkpoint.
I didn't hear you.
Well,
Oh,
we
got the
did get
checkpoint.
Wait.
Oh! Oh shit!
Uh-oh.
Oh shit!
Uh-oh. Go after Odie. Go after Odie. Get Odie. Yeah. Get Odie.
No!
That's what you get.
Jump?
That's what you get.
For what?
Which is all like.
Why is that dude
Alright.
running while crouching?
Dude, that's what I was saying. Somebody is crouch sprinting.
Oh!
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
fucking
Go
shot,
after Odie.
really?
Go after Odie. Yeah. He wanna
He
go
really
first, he
cut
can
the
die
corner.
first.
I didn't even trigger him, bro.
Oh,
Wait.
he's over there! Oh,
Wait, no, he had a flashlight too. Yo, he had a flashlight too.
I'm out!
Of course.
Yeah, go after Odie. Yes, sir.
I'm good over here, guys.
That was. Ah!
Oh,
Oh, who got caught?
that was a what?
Who got caught?
Who
Yeah,
got
who
caught?
got caught, bruh?
That was a what?
I was with Odie and I was with Anu and we made it back, but I don't know
Well,
That
what.
was at
I
the
died.
elevator.
I died.
Oh, close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Bro, he just fucking woke up.
Oh!
Oh, there was Odie. Okay, he
Oh
already-
shit! Fucking Odie, you piece of shit! Oh my god, my heart just dropped. Oh! Woo!
Someone had to get out the
Oh.
Odie classic.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I didn't fall for it this time, fucker.
God, bro, you just made me hard.
He said, "Fucker." Why you been? Why you say
Odie's a fucking bitch.
medieval?
Bro, I fucking yelled so loud, dude. I fucking woke
Man,
up my
look at
brother.
this dude.
You woke up your brother? That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Why'd you yell, man?
Bro, when we got to the door, we turned back, the fucking skin stealer was running towards us. Nobody closed the door.
Dude, I honestly thought that was Anu because the light was. I mean, I thought that was Odie because the light was flickering, but nope.
Never me. I memorized how to get there from dying so many times, and I just drank 2 energy drinks and ran it.
Oh, we're back here.
Oh,
Wait, what?
Why?
so this
Why?
is
You know the walls?
Shows an arrow towards 3, a circle to 2. Oh, there you go.
Wait, what? What was it?
Oh, he opened it.
What was the password?
It was square.
Square, circle, and arrow.
and then
yeah.
now is this thing right here.
No, we opened this.
This is the
What did
this
we
is the
open?
wall with the thing.
Guess
so
what?
this
I'm
wall
fucking
is-
Chainsaw Man.
Yep, yep.
Oh, that's
There we
so
go.
ugly. That's such an ugly animation.
Whoa!
What the hell?
Wait, what
Wait, what the
happened?
fuck? Yo,
I
what the
just got-
fuck?
I just got killed by Odie.
Why did my character
Uh,
go into an infinite spiral of death?
Hey,
What
what?
just
What just
happened?
happened?
You guys fell off the map.
I got killed by Odie.
Oh.
No, I fucking fell.
No,
I
I
got
think
did,
no
like-
clip.
Who's with
Wait,
me?
why
Who's
mean-
with me? Who's with
Where
me?
are you
Jump.
guys?
Who's with me?
Yo, what the
Who's
fuck?
with me? Who's with me?
Guys, I'm by myself. I'm scared.
Is that you, bitch? Fucker. You a bitch, you know that?
Why'd you get so scared?
halfway, I was like, oh wait, that's Odie. That's why I stopped running.
He's all shit. Yo,
Fucking knew it, dude. Fucking knew it. I knew
Wait,
Odie's
which hand?
schemes,
Which
bro. I
hand?
fucking know Odie's schemes now.
I'm by
You helped
myself,
me?
so I'm just gonna sit in a corner.
Now
and
you
you guys
fucking
get it.
understand what I
Why,
go through,
why
bro.
are you onto my schemes, bitch?
Bitch ass motherfucker, Odie.
Even if one day, even if one time I'll be wrong, I don't give a fuck. I'd rather be wrong than be right.
Can this
Open up,
fucking
open up, open up,
cocksucker
open up, open
leave?
up.
Can he leave me alone?
Oh my god.
Oh, I found the third one. I found the third one. Timed.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I don't need this.
Oh shit.
Hopefully I'm safe. Oh,
Oh, you're trolling.
I accidentally drunk liquid pain.
oh, oh.
I thought I put the juice in there, but you know, it's the fucking same thing.
I found one over here.
I know you
found
could
one.
go to the other area. Wait, it's open all the way.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
open all the way.
well, okay, Odie, we'll see you there. Oh,
I'm being
shit! Look
chilly.
at that, bro. It's evade.
Nah, I'm being chilly.
It's the map in evade, bro.
Be chilly. There's a code.
Oh, we go look at the windows.
windows?
Oh, here.
Yes.
There you
Bitch.
go. Damn, that's crazy. What the fuck?
Yeah, that looked familiar.
Oh,
God,
me.
very.
No,
Yo. Jump on top of Odie.
Oh.
Wait, why are we
What
back
is this?
here?
All right, guys, I gotta go use the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, this was the other side.
Alright, outside's not safe no more. They called the thingy.
Oh, the
Good luck.
suburbs. We're at the suburbs.
Yeah, good luck, baby.
We in the burbs.
What the fuck is that thumping noise?
Nothing?
Not trying to figure out.
Oh, yo, hell no. No.
Yo, he big as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
Who the fuck is? Oh, Nick, you fucking bitch.
Yo, what's out there, guys? What's out there?
Yeah. All I gotta say is be
I got
careful the
lag.
houses. Be careful the houses you go into. There's some weird like reds, like you know, people with their skin peeled off just waiting in there.
You said there's people with their foreskin peeled off?
There's people with just all their skin peeled off.
My sanity is fucking gone, bro. I'm about to die. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, thank God, end that horror for me. Jesus,
Alright, good looks.
guys, I don't feel safe here. This is like a home invasion.
I don't understand this. What are we supposed to do?
We gotta
Ooh,
find. We
baby,
gotta
I don't
find
understand
the.
this.
Gotta find the evacuation point.
Can he come? Can he break
Yes.
inside?
Yes, he can.
Wait, what's the room downstairs then?
That just goes to the hub where you choose different levels. That's where we're at in the beginning, very beginning. No, if you lock the door, he shouldn't be able to.
My sanity's low. I'm dead.
No. You can't do this to me.
Alright, this house seems pretty safe, guys. I'm saying.
No, it doesn't, bitch. Take a walk around the house.
You said what?
God, there's a guy
I'm
camping
dead,
my
guys.
door.
Sanity's gone. Alright, let's go
Yep.
to the same house, everybody.
We were in the same house. I don't know what happened to y'all.
There's somebody in the house.
A big chungus too. What the fuck?
Oh, Big Chunk is just coming. This one. This one.
This house quick. This house quick. Quick. Check if there's anyone.
Is anyone? We're gonna kill him, alright?
Oh shit!
Oh, so much.
It was a guy.
Oh no, my fucking sanity.
Lock the doors
Oh,
behind
connection
you.
interrupted. Just lock. So the house down this way. This house right here, maybe. Someone's in here too. You can hear his ass walking.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh,
Bro, get the-
shit.
Is the big guy over there?
Yeah,
Oh, I can hear.
he's on to us. Open the door.
I swear, we're gonna need to go
I
into a
I've been
house
in here.
or
I was in here last time and I didn't see anybody. Look, there's this. I don't know what that means, but
what? How did y'all interact with it?
oh, it's Morse
A
code.
computer. A computer.
It's Morse code for gay midget porn.
Well, we need this one. Did you really?
Did you go back downstairs? Or
I
did you
didn't
die
have room to
upstairs?
go upstairs.
Fuckers in here.
He's on
Where?
top.
No,
Upstairs.
he's to the right.
Okay.
Go, move!
That'd be this house all the way down.
Oh, it's chasing you. Chasing you.
Yeah, look. No. Yeah. I did it.
He killed
Oh.
me through the wall. He killed me through the wall. I was hiding in the smallest bathroom ever.
Guys,
Can't get this right.
Nah, I
Right?
can't.
oh,
Why?
yo, chill,
Wait, why is he
chill,
outside?
chill.
Why is he outside?
Yeah, okay, it's chasing me. Try to go around him. Try to go around.
Alright, I'm with Odie. We're currently
Go in the house. Check if he has the terminal.
I don't think he liked that.
Yo, you could bait them out.
You can bait them out. Okay, that's
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm getting
Wait,
chased.
wait, okay.
What do we
And they're
get to-
slow as shit. You can outrun them.
What do we get to know before? But you know, we're already at the last checkpoint.
It's okay. It's good.
They wouldn't. That dude wouldn't even chase me outside earlier. Too.
I know. You able to get over here?
Oh my God, Megatron.
Do we all need to be there?
Just get in the house. Just get in the house.
Yeah, we
I
just
don't
go
think there's
downstairs.
anything in
There's
the
like no
house.
items upstairs.
Restricted area.
What the fuck?
Heavy chemical usage area. Authorized personnel only. Don't care. Still don't care.
Oh, we gotta pick up a crowbar.
The thing has an administrator card that can get us anywhere. Hide here.
Oh, right here.
Hey, you guys wanna pick up the crowbar?
Where?
Right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Platform should automatically close to ensure everyone's safety. Next, make sure the filtering unit contains 4 full bottles of concentrate. If some of the bottles are only partially filled or missing, place a new bottle in its spot. You'll know that the unit is ready when all 4 lights are green. Now you can push the emergency shower forward until it's locked in place and can't be moved anymore. At this point, you can rotate the handle on the shower to activate it. The platform should remain closed and will automatically open up when the process is complete. Manually opening the platform can cause harm to the affected person or others in the laboratory. Please make sure to clean the equipment and replace all the materials before leaving.
Alright, we gotta clean something.
No, we gotta clean. We're cleaning the skinless guy.
All of a sudden, I don't think this is such a good idea.
What are you talking about?
All of a sudden, I don't think this is a good idea.
Yo, why
All of a
y'all
sudden, I don't
follow
think
me?
this is
Why
a
y'all
good-
follow me?
All of a sudden, I don't think this is a good idea.
Why
You
you
know-
follow me though?
Why y'all follow? Bro, I lost my shit now.
I lost my shit.
Can be used to break open vents.
We can talk about this.
You said what?
What happened?
He didn't want to talk about this.
You know where we died? Yeah, that same dude was still there.
Oh, he's over there. He's
Okay,
in the
we're good.
area with the three fucking
three.
what do you call it? The 3 vents thing.
Oh my god, he's fast as fuck. 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 Oh my god, he's fast as fuck.
Yeah, we got him, bitch. Fucker.
What the fuck?
Push it.
This
Keep
shit ain't
pushing
pushing. Shit ain't
it.
pushing.
Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it.
Yeah, we're making this Discord ad. We're making this
Alright, we're
Discord mod
good.
take a shower.
Let's go, Discord mod taking a shower. Yo, surely he's human again, right? Yeah.
Yeah, how does it feel to be normal again, Discord mod? I have a good relationship with your father.
Oh, we need to take his administrator card.
Yeah,
that's what I was trying to
That's what I
grab.
was looking for, but I couldn't find it.
Somebody grabbed it because I heard the cha-ching.
No,
No,
that
I
was just
actually
showing your
pressed-
key card.
Yeah.
You beat the shit out of him?
Yeah, this over here.
Oh, this gate. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
you
so it
had
was a
all
part
that
of
stuff,
this.
huh?
I knew somebody grabbed it already.
Yeah, it was you.
It wasn't me. It was you.
Bitch, you the one who activated it.
Don't care.
I just have crowbar.
Don't care.
I feel like something's gonna grab me by running down the road.
Turn on the windmills. The lights will point towards the way out. So turn on the generator situation, guys.
You said we gotta turn on some gens?
Yep, we gotta turn on generators to find the light. So we followed the light, I think.
Yeah.
So we follow the light to the
Yeah.
next generator, and then they'll shine the next light.
So we're
do it.
following the sun?
Yeah, no, it's a windmill. It's a windmill.
I don't see a windmill.
Yes, you do.
You follow
Oh,
the
there's no-
light.
Wait, the windmill is the fucking.
There you go. There's the next one. There's the next one. Oh,
Ooh.
yo, it's Odie.
Fuck Odie.
What the fuck?
Yo, that's not cool, bro. You can't just 180 me like that.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh, Odie got cornered.
Whoa. Bro, me and this fucking chainsaw guy just walked past each other. He just ignored me.
Very nice.
He's like, we cool.
Oh, I see the lights.
Alright, we're over here now. Me and Nick.
You're with Odie.
Well, we're going to Anu now?
Yeah, I
Anu,
think
where
so.
you at? You still in the hay?
Yeah, he's getting chased. He got chased, that's why.
Oh.
Bro, just fucking no clip through one of them. Let's go, last level, baby.
Hmm.
Today, I'm here to watch Toy Story 2.
We came here to watch Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2.
I came here to watch my friends fight.
Might just be a sneak peek.
I
for
think
the
we
next
just all go to the dark area.
Oh, it might just be a safe
Yeah.
level.
Come to this dark level, dark area.
Oh wait, come.
Oh, yeah. Let's all go to the dark area.
Oh.
TP?
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
TP.
Beat the game.
Wow.
Full release?
This not like full release or what? Damn.
That wasn't that bad.
That was alright.
Not as scary.
Pretty
though.
good. Not
That
scary.
one- Alright, honestly, it's not as bad as I thought.
I need to sleep.